Today we are going to discuss about also Core Wallet. In this video, we are going to connect our Core Wallet with web browsers. Yes, if you have used you already Core Wallet, so how can you use your wallet with in Google Chrome extension? This is so simple and easy. So please must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here, right top corner, I have installed already Core Wallet and I have login, I think. And today we are going to connect our wallet with web browser or web wallet. So you can see here, my wallet is log in front of me. If you have not login, so simple is that, just simple. Let's suppose I'm going to click on lock Core Wallet. First you need to enter your password here. I have entered my password, and after that I'm going to click on login button, and you can see here my wallet is log in front of me. And this video is very short, but this video is very informative for you. Let's suppose you want to use your this Core Wallet with web. So, or how can you connect your web Core Wallet? Simple is that, you can write top corner three line, just click on it, and after that you can see here there is option available here, Core Web. Yes, this is a Core Web. You just simple click on it. After that, Core.app, this is official app browser or app website, and after that you can see here the Core Web is portfolio is open in front of me, and this is your wallet address. First need to connect your wallet, and before going to connect your wallet, you must cross check this web application is correct or not. You must cross check this the wallet link. Let's suppose I have already connected. If I have not connected, so when you click on web connect, so you can see here there is shown your connect wallet option. Simple click, and after that there is option available here. You can use MetaMask, you can use Core Wallet, Core Mobile Wallet, Ledger, or other wallet. So this time I'm using Core Wallet. So simple is that, I just simple click on Core Wallet, and now terms and condition, simple click on it, and after that click on continue. And now my main Core Wallet is open in front of me, and you can see here select account. If you have used multiple accounts, so you can select on your option, but I have only create one account, so that there is shown my wallet address. And if you have a balance, then you can see here your balance will be shown here. I have not balance, so that is shown here zero balance. So there is two option available, reject or approve. So if you want to connect your wallet, so simple click on approve. When you're going to click on approve, so you can see here your wallet is connected. There is shown the account number 1, and you can also rename this account name, and also all wallet address is shown in front of me. And this is very easy. If you are going to means more comfortable if you are going to use your Core Wallet with web browser or web wallet, and all address is shown here like Bitcoin wallet address or Avalanche wallet address, and also shown the other wallet address like C chain, and there's the all network. Click on it, so your all network will be shown in front of you. Almost 18 plus network available here. You can see here big name is available here, Avalanche C, Bitcoin, Base, Arbitrum, Optimus, Xchain. So many network is available here. You just simple select which is you are going to use. So let's suppose I need to deposit. Simple click on this dot button, copy, or you just simple click on receive button if you want to deposit. This is QR code available here. You just simple open your mobile, and after that scan this QR code, then this wallet address will be shown in your mobile, and you can easily transfer amount on this wallet. And you can also copy manually, copy this wallet address and said that's person who want to send the money. And let's suppose you want to transfer fund from this wallet, so simple click on send option, and after that you can paste here wallet address where you want to receive the money, and after that select the amount and you can send the amount from this wallet. And also available option is bridge and swap. You can bridge your amount one chain to other chain or one network to other network. Simple click on it, and then you can see here select the chain which you want, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or you can select the token, which token you want to chain with other network. It depends on you. Let's suppose I'm going to select any one network, like click on it, and then select the chain. First chain I have selected, and now C chain. Now select the Ethereum chain, so you can use other network. And also you can use the swap option. Simple click on it. Let's suppose you have one AVAX and you want to convert in USDC. Simple enter the amount, and after that you just simple click on swap button. I have not this time, so that there is shown zero, insufficient balance. Okay, simple click on swap button. And if you want to swap stake your amount, so simple click on this option, click on stake option, and there is option available delegates, validate cross chain transfer. So if you want to validate so you can use validation option. If you want to delegate your amount to other validators, so you can use this option. It's on depend on you. I'm not recommended to you. You can stake from this website, but it's depend on you. You can use this option, and also you can use discover and explore. Many options available here. You just simple connect your wallet with web, and you can search many option on this main portfolio option. This is the main portfolio option. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your web core wallet with your main core wallet on your browser extension. This is so simple and easy. You can very comfortable for you if you are going to use core wallet with portfolio core wallet. Okay. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we'll meet with you in a new video. Bye bye.